Hey, good morning, guys. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Your old buddy Tim back writing and ranting. Actually, I'm sitting and waiting. Lovely construction out here. Improving the roads. Someone told me the other day that I rant more about the condition of the roads here than I do about real estate. And it's probably true, but who's going to watch a riding and ranting about roads show? I'm not. Hey, today I want to talk a little bit more. We're continuing our discussion on FSBOs, for sale by owners. And I want to go to the other side of the equation right now and talk about if you are a buyer and you are attempting to purchase a home from a for sale by owner without a realtor involved in the mix. Just a few things to be aware of, okay? When you are dealing directly with a for sale by owner, even though you are the one trying to buy the house, they're still in the driver's seat somewhat because they have the house that you are interested in buying. My advice is always get a professional involved. Even if you hire someone like me simply to do the transactional stuff where you pay 1% or a flat fee or something like that, just to handle the contracts and to oversee things like inspections and that sort of thing, that is money well spent, because I keep hearing excuse me, situations where people have gone directly to for sale by owners and things did not go as they hoped. There were things not revealed. There were problems that popped up that would have been avoided otherwise. And you got to be wary sometimes. If you have an owner who doesn't want you to do inspections or wants you to use his guy to do inspections, or keeps putting off giving you receipts and documentation, that is a big giant red flag. If someone says, well, you know what, I got that termite letter somewhere, or my buddy Larry can fix that big giant hole in the wall, no problem. What typically happens in these situations is you get a lot of good old boys or a lot of buddies involved, and there is no quality control. There is no agent who is overseeing and making sure repairs are being done and things are being handled in a professional and legal manner. So just keep that in mind. There's absolutely nothing wrong with purchasing a house from a FSBO. I've done it myself. Just make sure that you watch out. You protect yourself. You make sure everything is above board. There should be a sales contract involved. There should be an inspection addendum involved. There should be a lot of legal paperwork involved that documents everything and makes sure that all the I's are crossed and the T's are dotted, as they say. And if you do all that, you should have a fine experience. But again, keep in mind, if there is hesitation on the part of the owner to provide documentation or to cooperate, that could be a huge red flag. The same is true if you are a FSBO and you are trying to sell your house to someone who is not represented, and they keep putting off giving you the pre-qualification letter, or they keep putting off giving you things like an earnest money check. Always be wary of that sort of thing. So that's it. FSBOing is great, but make sure you have your backside covered no matter which side of the table you sit on. So, hey, don't forget, if I can do anything for you when it comes to buying and or selling real estate, I'm your guy. More than happy to work with you. I work with a lot of FSBOs. I work with a lot of folks who are buying from FSBOs. So happy to help any way I can. Look us up online. We are Revolved Realty. We are a flat fee listing company. We can save you thousands of dollars if you list your house with us, and we will protect you and serve you in any way we can. So hey, 679-0704 is my number. Tim@revolved.com. And just remember, do your homework, make sure everything's above board, and hopefully you'll be okay. Okay, I love that. Yeah, okay. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.